In an age dominated by fleeting digital interactions and instant gratification, the timeless act of reading a book might seem like an anachronism. Yet, the quiet, immersive engagement with printed or digital pages remains one of humanity's most profound and rewarding activities. Reading books is far more than a passive pastime. It is a multifaceted endeavor that offers unparalleled benefits for intellectual growth, emotional well-being, and personal development, serving as a cornerstone of both individual enlightenment and societal progress. One of the most immediate and undeniable advantages of reading is its capacity for intellectual expansion and knowledge acquisition. Books serve as vast repositories of human thought, experience, and discovery, offering a direct conduit to the minds of authors, scholars, and historical figures across millennia. Through reading, one can delve into the intricacies of scientific theories, traverse the landscapes of ancient civilizations, grasp complex philosophical concepts, or understand the nuances of diverse cultures. This continuous influx of information not only broadens one's general knowledge but also sharpens critical thinking skills. Engaging with different arguments and perspectives presented in books compels the reader to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information, thereby honing their analytical abilities and fostering intellectual rigor. Furthermore, consistent reading naturally enriches vocabulary and refines language skills, leading to more articulate expression and a deeper appreciation for the power of words. Beyond the realm of pure intellect, reading books significantly contributes to the development of emotional intelligence and empathy. When we immerse ourselves in a narrative, we step into the shoes of characters from various backgrounds, experiencing their joys, sorrows, triumphs, and struggles. This vicarious experience allows us to understand complex human emotions and motivations, fostering a deeper sense of compassion and reducing prejudice. Historical accounts and sociological studies, similarly, expose us to the lived realities of others, cultivating a more nuanced understanding of societal issues and human behavior. In a world often marked by division, the ability to empathize, to genuinely comprehend and share the feelings of another, is an invaluable asset, and reading is a powerful catalyst for its cultivation. Moreover, for many, books offer a therapeutic escape, providing solace, reducing stress, and offering perspectives that can help navigate personal challenges. Reading also acts as a potent engine for personal growth and self-reflection. A compelling book can challenge deeply held beliefs, introduce revolutionary ideas, or present alternative ways of viewing the world. This intellectual friction encourages introspection, prompting readers to question their own assumptions and re-evaluate their values. Biographies and self-help books can inspire personal goals, offer practical strategies for problem-solving, and provide mentorship from afar. The very act of reading, which demands sustained attention and patience, cultivates discipline and focus, qualities increasingly rare in a distraction-prone environment. It provides a quiet space for contemplation, allowing individuals to process thoughts, consolidate learning, and connect ideas in meaningful ways, ultimately leading to a more self-aware and purposeful existence. Furthermore, books are unparalleled catalysts for enhancing creativity and imagination. Unlike visual media that present a complete picture, reading requires the reader to actively construct worlds, visualize characters, and imagine plotlines within their own minds. This active engagement strengthens the imaginative faculty, fostering original thought and innovative ideas. Exposure to diverse narrative styles, literary techniques, and artistic expressions found in books can inspire burgeoning writers, artists, and thinkers to explore their own creative potential. The rich tapestry of stories and concepts encountered through reading serves as a wellspring of inspiration, fueling the capacity for invention and the development of unique perspectives. In conclusion, the act of reading books, far from being an outdated habit, remains a profoundly transformative experience. It is a journey into the depths of knowledge, a bridge to understanding the human condition, a pathway to personal enlightenment, and a fertile ground for creativity. In an increasingly complex world, the ability to engage deeply with ideas, to empathize with diverse experiences, and to continuously grow as an individual is more vital than ever. Books, in their enduring power, offer precisely these gifts, reaffirming their irreplaceable value as essential tools for intellectual enrichment, emotional maturity, and the ongoing pursuit of a well-lived life.